Opportunities for finding work can be found in plenty in Dubai. People from all over the world want to move to this country because of its excellent infrastructure and the high standard of living it provides its residents. In Dubai, numerous co-working and serviced office spaces have opened their doors throughout the past few years. A plug-and-play working area is what's known as a serviced office. In many respects, a traditional workspace cannot compare to the advantages offered by a serviced office space. Both the rental terms and the office space are open to negotiation. Additional space can be made available on short notice if the occupant's team needs to accommodate a more significant number of members. The pandemic caused by the coronavirus altered how we did our jobs. One thing that can be said with absolute certainty is that serviced workplaces are the way of the future. The world is currently looking at a hybrid form of working. The following are a few of Dubai's most impressive serviced office buildings. Welcome to Luxurious Dreams. Today, we will talk about luxury offices in Dubai. Stay with us until the end of the video to learn more. Like and subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button to get notified of all the latest updates. The high quality and extravagance of Dubai's office spaces directly result from the city's status as a central hub for international trade and business. Dubai is home to a few of the world's most lavish and prominent office buildings as a result of both the city's flourishing economy and jaw-dropping architecture. The following are the 5 most wealthy workplaces in all of Dubai. Emirates Towers. The Emirates Towers is a well-known landmark in Dubai, and the structure that houses its offices is no exception. The building features a variety of first-rate amenities, such as a fitness center, a swimming pool, and several different dining alternatives. The offices are big and beautifully decorated, offering stunning views of the city and the Arabian Gulf. Because it is equipped with cutting-edge technology and security measures, the building provides a safe and sound setting for conducting business. Burj Khalifa. The Burj Khalifa is the highest structure in the world, and its office spaces are among the most sumptuous in all of Dubai. The Burj Khalifa can be found in Dubai. The skyscraper is equipped with cutting-edge technology and architecture, and it boasts floor-to-ceiling windows that provide stunning views of the city and the Arabian Gulf. Because the offices have the most cutting-edge communication and safety systems, companies can conduct their operations with absolute self-assurance. The Address Boulevard. The Address Boulevard is a breathtaking mixed-use development that comprises some of Dubai's most abundant office spaces. It is also home to a variety of restaurants and retail establishments. The building provides occupants with various amenities, such as a swimming pool, a fitness center, and a selection of restaurants. The offices are big and beautifully decorated, offering stunning views of the city and the Arabian Gulf. In addition, the facility is equipped with cutting-edge security technologies, making it an exceptionally risk-free environment to conduct business. The Executive Towers. The Executive Towers are a collection of 12 high-rise buildings in Dubai, each providing abundant office space for companies of varying sizes. The Executive Towers are known as the Executive Towers. The towers offer a variety of amenities, such as a fitness center, a swimming pool, and a variety of dining options, all of which are available to their residents. The offices are big and beautifully decorated, offering stunning views of the city and the Arabian Gulf. In addition, the facility is equipped with cutting-edge security technologies, making it an exceptionally risk-free environment to conduct business. Jumeirah Business Center. The Jumeirah Business Center is a prestigious office complex that can be found in the center of Dubai's bustling financial and commercial zone. The building provides occupants with various amenities, such as a fitness center, a swimming pool, and a selection of restaurants to choose from. The offices themselves are big and beautifully decorated, offering stunning views of the city and the Arabian Gulf. In addition, the facility is equipped with cutting-edge security technologies, making it an exceptionally risk-free environment to conduct business. These office buildings are positioned in great locations, which means that in addition to their plentiful amenities and breathtaking views, they are also near major transportation hubs and are surrounded by a variety of high-quality shopping and dining options. Because of this, They are perfect for companies that want to build a name for themselves in Dubai while also taking advantage of the benefits associated with a premium location, access to the greatest amenities. The requirements of enterprises of any size may be accommodated by Dubai's luxurious office spaces, which range in size from that of a single-person startup to that of a major multinational firm. They provide places that are adaptable and configurable, and they provide a selection of alternative office layouts from which one can choose. Whether an organization requires a private office, a shared workspace, or a huge conference room, it will certainly be able to locate the ideal location in one of Dubai's luxurious office buildings. The businesses that rent space in these office buildings have access to various services and assistance in addition to the plentiful amenities and breathtaking vistas they provide. Businesses have access to the help they need to manage their operations orderly and effectively, ranging from administrative support to information technology services. In summary, Dubai is the location of some of the world's most wealthy and prominent office complexes. Whether companies seek a breathtaking site with breathtaking views, this place has it all. If you made it to the end of this video and are interested in knowing more, let us know which part of the video you liked the most in the comments section below. We will appreciate your comment and work to make a video on your desired topic with an account shout-out. Please like and subscribe to Luxurious Dreams and hit the bell button or use the link in our description to be notified of our next video. Thanks for watching.